birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, Dad and Papa. Hope you have the most amazing day ever. We are so gutted that we cannot spend it with you, but we will make up for it in Ibiza. Love and miss you so much. You're the best ever. Mwah.
Happy 60th birthday, Mark. Have a great day.
Will you sing a wee song, Mark?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marco. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
All the best.
All the best.
It's Saturday the 5th of March 2022, which can only mean one thing. Yes, Mark Graham, it's your 60th birthday. I hope you have the best day ever. Many happy returns. Whatever Shirley's got planned for you, it'll be amazing. You know that and I know that. Lots and lots of love from me to you. Have the best day ever, Mark.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to you. Now's his time to jump.
Happy birthday, Mark. Hope you have a great time. The 60th. Christ, you're getting old.
Happy 60th.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi Mark, Paul Cherry here. Happy birthday, happy 60th. You might notice the golf course behind me, which unfortunately closed here at Peraleca. You used to play this course many times, and actually we used to get a few of your golf balls, so I've actually kept them, and if you're ever passing by, come and collect them. Here they are. Happy birthday, Mark, and come and get your golf balls.
Happy birthday, Mark.
Happy birthday, Mark.
Happy 60th birthday from here in sunny Ireland. It's actually sunny for today. So have a great celebration. Keep on dancing. That's all we remember. I'm looking forward to seeing the videos as a celebration of the night. Funny having Brady here, bringing back memories of when he was getting his leaving cert. And we came over to yours because we had no internet. And then how you friendly and accommodating you were to him when he was in university in Granada.
Yeah.
Great memories and great friends, and I hope you have a fantastic celebration. I know it's just the two of you, but well, I'm sure we'll catch up this summer. Looking forward to coming to Cuevas Helena. So have a great night, Mark.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Happy birthday.
Hi Mark, the smartest dressed ice hockey player I've ever met. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Little birdie tells me it's your 60th birthday. Well, many happy returns, mate. Hope you have a great day. Hope you get well spoilt. Hope you and the family are all safe, keeping well, and hopefully catch up with you one day. You take care. Okay, cheers.
We heard it's your birthday, and we just wanted to say
Happy birthday. Hope you're well. Shirley said you were 30, I believe that.
Yeah.
Happy 30th birthday.
And have a lovely time, both of you. Hope you're both well too.
And hopefully, fingers crossed, we might come and see you this year. Coronavirus permitting. Cheers.
Cheers. Take care.
Cheers.
Bye.
Mark, happy 60th birthday, mate. Don't know how you made it. No, all joking aside, hope you have a great weekend. I'm sure Shirley will have loads of plans for you. I'm doing this for the office today. It's nice and sunny in Scotland. I'm sure it's about 20 degrees colder here than it is where you are. I wish that me, Natalie and Jude were over there celebrating with you, and we'd be having a few drinks together. But I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope the high bees get a result for you to celebrate your 60th birthday. All the best, mate.
Hi Mark, it's just a wee message to say happy 60th birthday. It's hard to believe that that's where we are at your 60th, and we've known each other a long time, probably over 40 years now. And I hope everything's going well over in Spain with you and Shirley. Your business looks like it's thriving, and you're obviously still working with the painting. But just a real small message just to say that I hope you have a good day. Shirley's looking after you, and enjoy your 60th. Take care, mate. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Mark, I just want to wish you a happy 60th from the hands. Hope you have a great day. Hope to see you all soon. Take care. Hi Mark, I just had to come back down to Murrayfield where we met over 40 years ago. We used to hang out down here. Happy 60th when it comes by. Hopefully I get to see you sometime. All the best. Cheers now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to you. We're missing you so much, Mark. We wish we could be there celebrating.
Hello Mark, happy 60th birthday from Liz.
Ian.
Looking forward to seeing you in October. Enjoy your birthday.
And don't get too drunk again.
Without us. Bye.
Hi.
Hey Mark, hey Shirley.
Hi.
Birthday message we've got together in the grumpy for you.
60?
Can't believe it, what's all that about? When I first met you two, this is what you look like. Can you see that? Look at that! A mere young gangster there in the old Spanglish area. How's life, guys? Hope all is
you're
well.
having a great day.
Have a wonderful time. Enjoy your birthday.
Yeah.
Bit of Flower of Scotland in the background. Bit of swaying going on.
And cheers from us.
Slanjava.
Slanjava. Cheers.
Probably not how you say it properly, but we try. Take care, guys. All the best. Happy birthday, Mark, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi Mark, we've just come on to leave a message for you to wish you a very big happy birthday when your 60th birthday comes along. My goodness, we've known each other for about 14 years and we've celebrated in lots of different ways over the years, and we've had some great nights. So we really hope you have a great day and night celebrating your 60th birthday with Shirley. And we want to see lots of videos of all your dancing. I'd be very disappointed if we don't get that. So look forward to seeing that. So happy birthday, Mark.
Hey mate, all the best for your 60th birthday. I'm sure you'll have a great time. And hopefully we'll get to see you fairly soon. We'll be over most of April, so maybe we'll be bumping into you then. But anyway, have a great time on your birthday. All the best for now.
Hey Mark, I guess it's happy birthday time. I can't imagine that you're 60, but Shirley got a hold of me and verified it. The last time I remember seeing you, you were headed out the dressing room door heading for, what would have been now, Buster Brown's, I guess. You didn't want to miss last call. Anyway, Mark, I hope you have a great day, and all the best. Enjoy it. Hopefully everything's going well for you in Spain. As you can see, it's a bit snowy and blowy where I am. Take care, mate. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Mark. I hope you have a great day. I'm sure Shirley will spoil you. Just remember, 60 is a new 50. Embrace it, enjoy it, have a great time.
Hi Mark, just want to say a happy 60th birthday. Hope you have a fantastic time and you're celebrating in style.
Happy birthday, mate. I hope Shirley really spoils you, and Feliz Cumplianos. See you, mate. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mark, from Auntie Margaret.
Uncle Andrew.
I hope you have a wonderful time. And Mark, if you're ever needing a walking stick, I've got plenty of them.
I can assure you, Mark, she's got plenty, because I've been carrying her for years.
Have a lovely, lovely 60th birthday, darling.
Happy birthday.
Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mark. Big 6-0 all the way from Easter Road. Have a good one, buddy. Okay, go.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Okay, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Hi Mark, just thought I would wish you a happy birthday from this cold and wonderful place not from Edinburgh. Come home to visit these Grahams and I get an empty glass. Maybe if I come to Spain I'll get a full one. Have a great 60th. Bye.
Hi Mark, I hope you and Shirley are well. I just want to wish you a happy 60th. It just seems like yesterday we were playing for the Ravens and then up to our limits, enjoying ourselves. I hope you have a great day and all the best. Cheers, Tony.
Happy birthday, Mark. Have a great day.
Happy 60th, Mark.
Happy birthday, Mark. Hey! Cheers.
Happy birthday, Mark. Happy 60th birthday. Have a good day, and we'll see you very soon.
Hi Mark, just wanted to wish you happy 60th birthday. My 1962 must have been a vintage year, you know, because Bob and I were married in 1962. So have a lovely day and enjoy your celebrations. I'm sure Shirley will have plenty of celebrations for you, and we hope to see you soon. Bye just now. Bye Mark.
That's the way to go.
Bye.
It's your birthday, we're gonna party, it's like your birthday. We're gonna sip a Bacardi, it's like your birthday. Mark, I wish you a fab day.
I turned 60 last week. Happy birthday to you.
Ja må du leva, ja må du leva, ja må du leva ut i 100 år. Ja visst ska du leva, ja visst ska du leva, ja visst ska du leva ut i 100 år. Hurra, 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 hurra! Muchos besos y abrazos desde Torrevieja, Costa Blanca!
Happy birthday, Mark. Here's another 40 years to you, pal. Alright, all the best. Another 40 years of sunshine. Cheers, mate.
Believed that we were going to be 60. Well, it's me in a few weeks' time, and the thought of it, my God, we're getting a bus pass. And there was you, remember you driving up down that street in the yellow Porsche. Let's have a fab day, no doubt Shirley will spoil you, she always does. Take care and have a great day, Mark. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mark. Cheers. Cheers. Have a good day, and see you soon. Yeah, hope we see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy 70th birthday.
Happy 65th now.
Oh my God. I mean, he looks about 80, but I mean, I suppose.
How old is he? 65, 70? No.
Let's face it, he's still alive, which is a really good thing at your age. So, all we can say is have a fantastic
welcome to the club
birthday party. I'm not in that club yet, but I'm going to be there soon.
We still look younger than the rest of them anyway, so don't worry.
And
about
we
it.
will drink ourselves to death whenever we want to.
Time.
We'll see you soon.
Kisses,
Bye.
Hello, Mark.
Hola Mark.
G'day. Guess where we are? You haven't seen this guy to my right for a while. He was a skinny little dude when he was 12. He's now 27. We are now in Brisbane. This is where he works. Isn't it, William?
Indeed.
So the skyline in the background is Brisbane City. So we're just doing this little video to wish you a happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
See you soon.
And Paul and I are back in April, and we'll see you in June. So have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Mark, just wanted to wish you a really amazing happy birthday. Wow, 21 again. Absolutely gutted we can't be there to celebrate with you. But 2018 was certainly a good year for us, because apart from having a fantastic holiday at your cave, we met you and we became your friends, and we cherish your friendship. You're the most funniest, kindest, caring, coolest guy probably we've ever met. We really look forward to seeing you in April. Have an absolute blast. Love you, Marker. See you soon.
Happy birthday, mate. Have a good one. We'll have a beer when we come out in April.
Dear Papa, hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday, Mark. 60. Oh, getting on now, kiddo. Love and best wishes from Dave and I.
Yeah, all the very best.
Hope your weather's better than ours. As you can see behind us, it's a bit of a dull day.
Oh, it's rubbish.
Have a fantastic time and get very drunk.
Yeah.
And have one or two for us.
Definitely, all the very best.
All the best, love. Bye.
A wee birthday message, Mark, for your mother-in-law. She wishes you a happy 60th birthday, and she hopes that you have a fantastic day and you have to keep the videos going. She wants to see one the night. Okay, that's for your best mother-in-law in the world, as you would say. Love, Helen and Michael. Bye. Well, it's the end of the video because it's me, your wife. So who's done all this for you? How lucky are you? I know that you've loved it, and I know that you've sitting probably here in tears now, because it certainly was something great to sit and put together for you, because you're special. Well, special to me, special to everybody in the family, and obviously some of your friends obviously thought that, who sent lovely messages, which is great. So I want to thank everybody who sent Mark a message. Much appreciated, and I know he's loved it. And what we're going to do, no big plans, we're just going to go out for a nice meal, come back, and we're going to have a wee party for two, because Mark got what every 60-year-old wants for their birthday. He got a karaoke speaker. So we're going to have a wee party for two, and no doubt, watch out, because I no doubt there'll be a wee dancing video or a wee karaoke later on, because we wouldn't like to let you down, and we'll have a great time tonight, Mark. And I just want to say, I love you so much. And Nico, Minnie and Milo want to wish their daddy a happy 60th too, because they love you too. Okay, let's go and have fun. And thanks very much, everybody. Loved it. Very much appreciated. Thank you very much.